This is a close-up of that exercise machine that I tried to show the other day on my Facebook post. I want to show some of the detail of it today while I'm here at MCC College campus. I want to show that some of the parts are working.
Sorry, grab it. When
Okay.
grab it right up top here.
Okay.
There's a lot of torque on there and down here. So if you grab it right here, it works real good.
Right here?
Yep, right up there at the top.
Okay.
There you
Oh yeah, it got serious weights on there. Y'all see that? That was the inventor, the creator of this project. I want to make sure it's just back in a square area there. This is one cool project. Look at the weights on there, the detail of the weights. I'm going to zoom in closer so you can see that actual detail. This is all 3D printed with the exception of the nuts and bolts on there. Nuts and bolts like that. So you can get an idea of the real size of that. Here's a pen and pad right next to it. I'm going to place next to it so you can see the size of scale it is. It's amazing. Then I want to go right next door on a table next to it and show a home that was 3D printed, a section of a house that was 3D printed as well. Right here you can see the detail, even the columns that are outside the house. This is 3D printed. This came right out of a printer with the photograph right on the columns, right out of a 3D printer. Look at the scale and the design behind it. Now here's one thing that I want to show you that the creator showed me is that this driveway surface, is 3D printed as well. I'm gonna meticulously move some of the parts that he just showed me. And look at this concrete, how the slabs pull right out. Is that amazing? This is a 3D printed product made out of a powder-based substance. Look at the degree of scale with the grade and the slope and the curve cut right into it. You can probably hear the sound of it as it goes back in. Sounds just like real concrete. Fits right back in just like a fine puzzle. Put the gate back on. A real wrought iron gate. Sectional. Closes right back up. The way he designed it is that this roof comes right off as well. I'm not going to pull it off now because I'm one-handed. I want to show the man who created all of this. There's the man, Chris Page. This guy here is the one who turned me on to 3D printing 3 years ago, made me go crazy. I quit working construction and started SITE, Social Impact Technology and Engineering. That's the man right there. Blame it all on him. That's the man that moved me toward advanced manufacturing 3D printing. He is one of the instructors, the talented instructors here at Metropolitan Community College Business Technology Campus. He'll be here November the 10th as well to help usher the young middle school girls that we have coming down here. What I'm showing you now is just some of the printers that are inside this laboratory, the 3D printing prototype laboratory. These 3D printers are really expensive, but they do a lot of work, a lot of work. Those are the Fortis printers over here in the corner that 3D print, and we're going to have some objects printed out for our gym day, girls engaged in manufacturing, for the project that day as well. And inside, we're just gonna go do a zoom close-up. You see that alternator with a cutaway? Every piece on there, with the exception of a nut and a bolt here and there, was 3D printed. It's amazing. That alternator probably weighs, with all of that look, probably less than 3 pounds. It's amazing. So stay tuned. This is Mark here at Metropolitan Business Community College Technology Campus, and we're going to have an awesome day here showing the young ladies, middle school to high school girls, 3D printing, advanced manufacturing, having some women teachers and leaders here to talk about the opportunities that exist inside the industry. So, Mark Irvin signing out.